Ever wondered how to make delicious vegan and gluten-free baked goods? Well, it's easier than you think. This baking approach is a game changer for health-conscious foodies and those with dietary restrictions. Ready to start baking? Here are some easy and delicious recipes you can try at home. First up, we have the all-time favorite, brownies, but with a twist. To make these scrumptious vegan and gluten-free brownies, you'll need to replace eggs with flax seeds and use almond flour instead of the regular kind. Add in cocoa powder for that rich chocolatey flavor and sweeten things up with natural maple syrup. Mix everything together, pour into a baking dish, and let the oven do its magic. And just like that, you've baked a batch of guilt-free brownies. Voila! Your vegan and gluten-free brownies are ready to be devoured. Next, we dive into the warm and comforting world of banana bread. This vegan, gluten-free version starts with ripe bananas, perfect for adding natural sweetness. Oat flour replaces traditional flour, keeping things gluten-free, while flaxseed steps in for eggs, a handy trick for vegan baking. Mix these together with a handful of other ingredients, pour into a loaf pan, and let your oven work its magic. After a short wait, you'll be rewarded with a loaf of moist and delicious vegan and gluten-free banana bread. Now that you've got the recipes, here are a few tips and tricks to keep in mind. Ripe fruit, like bananas and dates, are perfect for adding natural sweetness. Flax seeds mixed with water can mimic the binding properties of eggs, making them a great vegan substitute. And to avoid dry or dense results, make sure to add a bit more leavening agent than usual. It's a delicate balance, but you'll get the hang of it. Remember, vegan and gluten-free baking is all about creativity and experimentation. So, who said vegan and gluten-free baking can't be delicious? We've explored scrumptious brownies, perfect banana bread, and some handy baking hacks. Remember, it's all about creativity and finding the right substitutes. With these recipes and tips, you're well on your way to creating mouth-watering vegan and gluten-free baked goods. Happy baking!